today this is my dinner that I'm going to be making. I am missing one ingredient, but it's still gonna be good without that ingredient. So I'm gonna make me some crab cakes, and this is what I use. The seasonings I use right here, the mixture, the binding, as well as the meal, Dijon mustard, egg, and I crush up some Ritz crackers. I don't use the panko or whatever the case may be, and some lemon juice. Now I usually put in Worcestershire sauce, but I don't have any. Okay, again, that doesn't mean anything because it's still gonna be good. And of course the crab meat. So y'all, my dinner is gonna be, I'm back trying to eat light. I don't know if you consider this light, but it's better than other stuff. So so the dinner for tonight is going to be, for me, it's crab cake and a kale salad.
all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel.
So y'all saw the mix that I used with the dressing. This is the crab cake. I taste a little piece, y'all. The crab cake tastes so good. I'm going to smash. I do not have and did not have the things I needed to make the remoulade. Y'all know how to do the little crab cake sauce. I didn't even have the store-bought one. So what did I do? What we do when we don't have what we need? We improvise. So y'all, I got some packets. Y'all know how you keep your little condiments from the restaurants. And I just made a little spicy sauce out of the Zaxby sauce for my son. I don't eat Zaxby, y'all, but my son eat it and he put the leftover Zax sauce in there, and I just made a little spicy sauce with that. So that's what I'm gonna be eating. I didn't slather it on there in case if I didn't like it, but this is what I'm gonna be eating today for lunch. So good.
Everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated.